Alright, so got more stuff for the collection. So of course some assembly may be required with this tractor. So went on kind of like a road trip vacation kind of a thing. Got to see some family and some friends. So of course we got this custom from Bluffton, Indiana, where I get most of my tractors from. And of course all these other parts here, that generator. And then also, because we were in Wisconsin, I got a mower deck for my 1023. So that was pretty nice to have. They told me locally here in Florida 2 months to get a deck, and this one, the dealer just had it. The guy at the dealer was like, "What are you talking about? Of course we have those in stock." I'm like, "Okay, well, we'll take it." We had the back of the truck open because we pulled the truck behind a motorhome. So that mower deck fit in the back of the truck along with this custom, these other parts, and that generator. So didn't really do any videos at almost this time, just because I was there a couple months ago. So this generator, I've been wanting one. This one's in pretty decent shape. The date code on the engine is 2011. And that's a lot older than I thought, because it looks quite nice other than it's dirty. It has 21 hours on it. Pretty decent little generator. I got the transmission for the custom, which was just kind of hanging out of the frame by the brake, this lever, this here, the little brake shaft. So it turns out more than likely somebody pulled this all apart because they wanted the brake band. I don't know why they didn't just buy that new, because you can buy those new for like 35, 40 bucks, which is what I'll do for this, or just make one. I do have the fenders for it. The one was still on it. The one was just laying there. I pulled the seat spring off another one. I got these two front grills for a couple machines I have. That one there's for a twin cylinder because it has the little bracket for it. I have the bracket for that one. I don't have 3 of the 4 tires. I didn't need them, so because I have a whole bunch of tires already. So I didn't have to come home with the tires, missing headlights. So it is a 71 or 72. I haven't looked up the numbers yet. This is actually the very first custom, or very first Sears I've ever bought. The same model as that one. I was stupid and sold it several years back. So I'm going to try to rebuild that same tractor with this one, which won't take much. Basically just put it back together, repaint this hood, and it had a couple of stripes down the hood. Tecumseh engine, which let's actually find out if it's the right one. It is a 10 horse. I can see the stamping on the block there. You guys probably didn't see that, but it is a 10 horse Tecumseh, painted black. So just like 99% of these, the engine was replaced. It does turn over. It had compression and then it stopped, and I could kind of already see the intake valve is stuck open because there's no carburetor. But luckily you can get new carburetors for these really cheap nowadays. Of course that oil doesn't come out, but that doesn't really matter. So yeah, that is going to be probably it for this video. Just a quick overview of this tractor, and kind of explained a little bit on you know, kind of what we did and what I came home with. So you'll see a video on this probably the next week or two on getting this put back together and up and running again. So thanks for watching, and we're coming soon.